unfortunate women who needs free legal services. Our government has given a noble respect to an unfortunate woman who needs free legal services, more particularly when she is unable to spend the legal expenses as well as fees of the competent lawyer for filing a case before the concerned court. Then such an unfortunate woman can obtain the rightful justice by availing the free legal services, and that too without paying any amount for the litigation once it is quoted by the Legal Services Authority. Particularly, women have been suffering a lot since long time due to poverty and lack of resources. Although there are some of the areas in marriage, divorce, adoption, dowry, guardianship, maintenance, succession, etc., where law has provided rights to a woman, yet in practice women are being discriminated on the basis of sex. However, due to the shortage of financial sources, women lack the capacity to assert their legal rights and justice, more especially when they also need to be compensated for the loss or any injury suffered as a result of the crime. Broadly, our government earnestly made an attempt to give respect to a woman through the Legal Services Authorities Act 1987, that such a woman is entitled to free legal services. Undoubtedly, free legal services are greatly beneficial to a needy woman in cases of civil nature, cases involving criminal offence, violation of fundamental rights, and cases of huge importance. Furthermore, in order to protect the woman legally, it is extremely essential that her claims against the insecurity, exploitation, discrimination, as well as arbitrariness are safeguarded. Thus, it is very much a stepping stone for a woman who needs justice but cannot bear the high legal costs and expenses involved. Of course, it is quite noteworthy that a needy woman can seek free legal aid and services from any of the concerned authority or committee, such as Taluk Legal Services Committee or the District Legal Services Authority or the concerned State Legal Services Committee or the High Court Legal Services Committee or the Supreme Court Legal Services Committee, etc. And free legal services available to a needy woman are advocate giving free advice on the legal matters, representation by an advocate in the legal proceedings, expenses such as court fees, process fees, drafting of the legal documents, typing fees, printing charges in the legal proceedings, and expenses incidental thereto, cost of obtaining the decrees, judgment, etc. Whatever, still large number of women are far from justice delivery system. So it is utmost fundamental that the concerned legal services authority, systems, organizations, offices, and the court must dedicatedly pursue the best respectful vision of always be respectful to a girl and a woman, and extend requisite respect to such unfortunate women so that she gets the justice timely. I, with the greatest respect, wholeheartedly salute to every girl and every woman in the whole world.